What is the cause of the sour smell in the car? Yes, the air conditioner filter is dirty. Many people will only go to the repair shop to change the air conditioner filter. Stupid, labor costs are so expensive now. A trip to the repair shop can cost at least a few $100s. Today, I will teach you how to replace the air conditioner filter by yourself in 10 seconds. Hit me if you can't learn. The air conditioner filter is generally installed behind the glove box of the Copilot. First, remove this glove box. Very simple. Push the baffles on both sides of the glove box to the middle with your hands and remove it. Here comes the point. The air conditioner filter is installed inside this cover. We can remove the cover by pressing the clips on both sides of the cover with our hands. Do you see it? This is the air conditioner filter. Pull it out and have a look. Wow! Look how dirty it is here. No wonder it stinks. If the air conditioner filter element is too dirty, there will be odor in the car, the air output will be reduced, the air conditioner will not be cool enough in summer, and the heating will not be hot enough in winter. Replacing it solves the problem. This is the new air conditioner filter I bought online, just for the price of a meal. Next, put it on. Installation is also very simple. Gently insert the air conditioner filter. Pay attention to the word facing outward. Don't install it backwards. Then snap on the cover. Finally, close the glove box. The air conditioner filter has been replaced. How about it? Is it very simple? Learn to like. Subscribe me if you haven't learned. I will teach you by hand.